Hello guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Daily. In today's video we are going to answer the XENEA Wallet daily quiz. So as I promised to provide a daily quiz for XENEA Wallet here today, we are going to answer it together with you guys. So let's go direct. So the new version are available, but I didn't need to go and update it right now because like it's gonna interrupt me. So I'll need to do it later. So let's click on later. So here is our daily points. Let's click on it. Great job. So let's go to the quiz. Start. So today's question here it is: what does best mean in tokenomics? So we have two options: a structural condition that confirm the right to receive token after certain period, a contract for purchasing token. So the correct answer is number one, which is A. So let's click on it. So congratulations for us, we have clicked on the correct answer. So here it is. So and again, don't forget to come and click on your daily as for here this section. So it's used to increase your fund. So great job, I've collected it. So here it is. So if this is your first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload the video. Thank you.